I would say that we need to prove a little bit more that it actually matters. So we have a lot of data, but sometimes it's problematic to actually tell people about it, to convince people that then you should invest in it. As a small last example maybe, I can actually tell people, I can tell doctors that this benzodiazepine leads to 5 times more falls with this patient than the other. So please prescribe the other medication. Mm-hmm. The data is there, but the only thing that happens is that my data scientist actually presents at a conference, and that's it. I think that an insurance company should take that data and say, oh, then we reimburse only that benzodiazepine. Yep. And so I think we can push more with the data we already have.
So also invite the insurance companies at the table.
And show them.